Hello everyone, I am Mo and you are welcome to my channel. Today I will share some niacinamide serum that right now I have been using, and I will be starting with this one from The Ordinary, and it is their 10% niacinamide with zinc PCA. It is little thicker in consistency. My husband just loves it. It keeps his acne under control, his oil production under control, because it is a mattifying serum. If you have oily skin, lives in a very hot and humid weather, it will be best pick for you. And from my point of view, I am a person who loves to layer multiple products, and this time it becomes little tricky to work because this time it starts to peel. But if you are a person who loves their skincare routine very simple, just a toner, a serum and a hydrating moisturizer, then this is for you. If you have very oily skin and you cannot use any serum because it makes you feel very oily, then definitely you can check it out because it will keep your skin matte throughout the day. Next I have this one from Plum. They are 10% niacinamide with rice extract and licorice root extract. Both are very good skin brightening ingredients. Now this is a very moisturizing serum, ideal for dry skin. If you have oily skin, then you don't need a separate moisturizer. You can just jump into your sunscreen during night time. You can finish it up with a skin oil. I actually prefer to use it during colder months or at night time. During morning time and summer days, it feels little heavy because the consistency is like a high fat milk, and it makes my skin little oily. I mean, it is little too heavy for my skin. I have 2 or 3 more, but before I will talk about them, please consider subscribing my channel and hit the notification bell. I need your support. Help your friend. Next I have this one from a Korean brand named Tiam. By the way, I like their vitamin C serum a lot, and this niacinamide serum, I love it. It is one of my favorite pick, especially because this added alpha arbutin, a beautiful skin brightening ingredient. It worked very well on my skin. I love how beautifully this serum evens out my overall complexion. On acne scars, it takes time, but I don't mind because we need a product to give some time to work, right? Especially on those stubborn, dark, deep acne patches. It takes time, but it works. It's a hydrating serum. It's not matte as the Ordinary one, and it is not at all that moisturizing like the Plum one. It is also very easy to layer. I never faced any peeling or any irritation with this serum, and it is also available in 40 ml and not 30 ml. So before I jump into my 4th and last one, I have one honorable mention, and that is from this pink foundry. It is actually my 2nd bottle. I bought the 1st bottle quite a while ago and forgot how I like it or not. So I'll post it here. I mean, give me some time, I will post it here or on my Instagram. I'd be very happy if you follow me there. And then I have this serum from Simple, their hemp seed oil and vitamin B3. By the way, vitamin B3 is actually niacinamide. They also have a separate niacinamide serum, but I prefer this one over that one because of this added hemp seed. If you have oily skin, dry skin, dehydrated skin, acne prone skin, rash prone skin, sensitive skin, you need hemp seed in your life. Get it in oil form, moisturizer form, serum form, whatever, get it. I have recommended this to many people and never received a single complaint. Forget about complaint, they all love it. They repurchase them again and again, just like me. It is again a milky serum, but lighter and less moisturizing than Plum one. I can use it during summer, I can use it during daytime. I can follow it up with a light moisturizer. In fact, I prefer to follow my serum with a light moisturizer always. If I find my serums are too moisturizing, I usually prefer to avoid it. So that's all with my today's video, and that's a lot. I mean, I'm so happy that I made it. I mean, you know, I'm not that much confident. Please support me and comment me down below you like it or you don't like it, so I can rectify myself. See you soon. Bye.